Back in 1986, a group of engineers from the Nissan Technical Center in Barcelona started to work on the project. They put everything, they put the soul and everything they have. The first time that the Nissan team raced like in-house team racing the Dakar was the first time racing with a diesel engine in 1987. And they got massive success. They were the first on diesel category, they won. When the race was finished, the car was left 28 years on a museum near Barcelona. This is our heritage, and we think it's worth to bring it back to life. We bring it back to the factory where it was first made. The guys work during the weekends, also in the evenings, to honor those people who were working on the project back 30 years. It's all based on the passion and the pride of working at Nissan. After almost 2 years of work, finally the result is here, the vehicle is working, and we are really happy for that. The engineer back 30 years that did all the electrics on the vehicle is now the manager of the electric department at NTC, bringing back together the old and the young generation on this project. Finally, we're bringing it back to Africa. This car brings back to NTC the team spirit of the people.